Guess the number. We're going to start with the goal. The goal is guessing the number the code generates. So you want to create a code that chooses a random number. Secondly, we're creating a code that tells you whether your guess is greater than or less than the number it chose. Once you guess the correct number, the code will tell you you won and how many tries it took to win. Next, we have design. We're going to create a min and a max number for the code to choose from. That gives it a range. The code will receive input from the user, and when they guess what the number is. The code will then use conditionals like greater than or less than to help you guide you and help you guess the number. The code will stop you after you guess the correct number, or will stop after you correct it. Next is build. So we're using import random function that's going to make the code choose a random number. We then give the code a minimum and a maximum range to choose from. We then use the count function to see how many tries it will take to guess the correct answer. We then use a while loop to give the user an indefinite amount of tries to guess the correct answer. And then we use conditionals like if or elif to help guide you to the correct answer. And then we use the break function to stop the loop after you get the right guess. This is a picture of our program. So we use the comment function here to kind of describe, make things a little more clean. And then when I was testing, I had trouble concatenating because I needed to switch an integer into a string, and then I received a syntax error for not using the parentheses with the print function. To fix that, I used casting. That's to switch one variable into a different value, so switching an integer to a string. And then for the second part, I used parentheses to fix the syntax error. And then this is the
Okay.
play.
Do you have your code open? Can you run it and see like